Welcome to our channel. Today we are seeing north facing house plan. This floor plan is excellently designed on 2090 square feet, that is 38 feet by 55 feet plot with a total built-up area of 1394 square feet. And this north facing home plan perfectly blends modern living requirements with strict adherence to traditional Vastu Shastra principles. Let's get into the plan for room by room detailing. Here is our main gate, and the primary entrance is positioned facing north. And according to Vastu, the north is ruled by Lord Kubera, and an entrance here attracts prosperity, wealth, and positive energy into the home. And into the home, we have our underground water tank or borewell, and it is positioned in northeast. That is, the underground water tank is placed in the highly auspicious northeast corner, that is Ishan zone. And this is an 100% was the complaint and fortunate placement for underground water bodies. And let's come to the portico or car parking space of size 18 feet 3 inches by 16 feet. And it is spacious enough to comfortably park a large car and two wheelers. And here is our main door facing north, and here into the house we have a hall of size 16 feet 9 inches by 14 feet 3 inches, and a large welcoming living area with an excellent cross ventilation. And we have provided sofa seated here and our TV showcase over here. And coming to the dining area, we have provided 14 feet 3 inches by 6 feet 6 inches, and it is provided with a six-seater location and in a central dining space conveniently connecting the hall and the kitchen. Coming to the kitchen, and the kitchen is situated in the southeast corner, that is Agni corner, and which is governed by fire element. And the layout allows the person cooking to face east, which brings health and abundance to the family. And the kitchen size is measured as 11 feet by 11 feet, and a generously sized cooking space with an ample counter room. Coming to the master bedroom, the primary bedroom for the head of the family, and occupies the southwest corner, that is Nairutia corner, and which is meant for earth element. Usually, the southeast corner is allocated for the head of the family to sleep or rest, because it increases stability and courage and dominance and peaceful sleep to the homeowner. So we did the same here, and we have provided a wardrobe in the west and a bed sleeping portion in the south. It enhances the better sleep and increases the wealth and prosperity. This master bedroom is provided with an attached toilet of size 8 feet by 5 feet, and here the commode is pointed towards south. As per Vastu, it should be pointed towards south or north, and here we kept towards south. And this large bathroom is attached to the master bedroom and it suits well. And coming to the kids' bedroom, it is measured the size of 11 feet by 10 feet, and the wardrobe in the west and the sleeping position in the south. And coming to the puja room, we have a puja room is over here, and it is measured the size of 5 feet by 6 feet. And a dedicated puja room is placed on the eastern side of the house, and the god idols are facing west, meaning the worshipper will face east while praying, which is a highly recommended spiritual practice. And a peaceful separate prayer room is here. And come to the staircase and septic tank. The external staircase and the septic tank are perfectly positioned in the northwest, that is Vayu corner of the plot, preventing negative energy from entering the main house. And coming to the toilets, and it is located, the bathrooms are placed along the western wall, strictly avoiding the sacred northeast and southeast corners. This is the correct Vastu approach for waste disposal. And we have our common toilet over here, and it is measured size of 8 feet by 4 feet 6 inches. And in this common toilet, we have our common pointing towards north, and this easily accessible common bathroom for guests and children. And additional design details like this plan is provided with external ventilation lighting, because this plan includes open setbacks all around the property, uh, 3 feet on the east and 5 feet on the west and 3 feet on the south. This ensures that every room receives abundant natural light and fresh air, through strategically placed windows and ventilators. And this layout individually incorporated dedicated space for a wash basin and a washing machine right next to the dining and common bathroom area here, and maximizing convenience without cluttering the main rooms. These are all with the overall plan. And you can get more plans on our websites, houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world, and our apps are available on the Google Play Store, Houseplans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Planness, and Business Apps. We are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Vastu Shastra. If you are interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 29063 to join. Thank you.